4 is ANYCUBIC Photon D2 Resin 3D printer. Attention, ghost gun enthusiasts! Prepare to have your minds blown by the extraordinary ANYCUBIC Photon D2 Resin 3D printer, the ultimate weapon for unleashing your creativity. This magnificent DLP 3D printer is a game-changer with cutting-edge features that will leave you in awe. Imagine wielding the power of thousands of mirrors that converge light directly onto the resin tank, eliminating any distortion or diffusion. With this technology, the Photon D2 surpasses LCD 3D machines' printing accuracy, ensuring your ghost guns are nothing short of perfection. Say farewell to lackluster prints and embrace the astonishing level of detail this marvel can achieve. Prepare to be mesmerized by the mind-boggling light uniformity of over 92% that the Photon D2 offers, thanks to its innovative double light uniformity algorithm. Combine that with its anti-aliasing algorithm, and your miniatures will come to life with unparalleled precision and breathtaking intricacy. But wait, there's more! The Photon D2 boasts unrivaled durability and cost efficiency. Its DLP projector boasts an astonishing lifespan of 20,000 hours, a jaw-dropping 10 times longer than LCD printer screens. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.